Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to learn about the function overriding. What is function overriding? If we derive the class defines same function as the defined in its base class, it is known as the function overriding. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. It enables you to provide specific implementation of the function which is already provided by its base class. So we will see the small example for the function overriding. We'll take class animal public void it function that is having the cout statement as eating. Similarly, class dog having public class animal. Inside that, public members will be same as the above one, that is void it will declare the cout as eating bread. Now we will create the main function and create object dog d is equal to dog function d dot it and return 0. Whenever I run the program, it will return me the output as eating bread because we have called here only the eat function and we have successfully avoided the previous one, that is the base class one. So both are having the same name. So we have override the function of it, that is the declare in the base class. See, eating bread. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.